We like to do different ones sometimes, and this one is very cool. The one thing I really like on this is the massive exterior storage.
This is perfect for somebody that is a little hesitant to drive a motorhome. We love the way they work. We love the way they support their customers.
How they pay their employees.
It's a well-run company.
Hey everyone, Izzy and MJ from Endless RVing. We're at the 2023 Maryland RV show.
So what we want to do today is we want to show you our favorite top 4 RVs from this show. There's a lot of great RVs here, but we picked 4, and here they go.
So the first one, these are no particular order, but the first one that really caught our eye is this 2023 Georgetown. This is the GT7, the 36DS, I believe. A couple things that we really like. Number one, the price point, full body paint. The one thing I really like on this is the massive exterior storage, and then the inside's really nice, which we'll show you. But we have a full video coming out on this, or it came out. If it's out already, we'll link it above. But look at the massive storage on here, guys. You have your, of course, your house batteries, but look at this. If you look up in here, look at all that storage, and it continues just going down. Quasi pass-through storage, really finished out really nicely, and it's very large. You have one slide on the passenger side, and then you're gonna have a very large, almost full wall slide on the driver's side, and it really opens up inside.
So there's a lot to love about this, and this actually really caught our eye when we first came in. As Izzy said, the exterior, it's all about space and storage and just a lot of room. And it's the same thing inside. This is like a massive cockpit that you have here. You have a drop-down bunk, so you have so much sleeping space. This drops in, your dinette drops into a bed. Huge kitchen area. Something I love in here is the appliances. You have really nice appliances. You have a large microwave. You've got a very large three-burner propane cooktop there. They're all Furrion appliances. Then a enormous, this is not Furrion, enormous fridge. You've got this long couch here that, you know, reclines on either side, at either end. You've got cozy fireplace, this, and then the bed, they're smart. They use the tilt-a-view bed, so you get that extra walking space. I think the thing that drew me to this the most was the space. And then again, this isn't much bigger than ours.
And this is a bath and a half.
Right, and you have a bath and a half. You have double sinks in here with a large shower. It's just, there's a lot in here, I think, for a good price point.
I stand corrected, it's the 36D7, not the DS.
Right.
So what's really nice, one of the things here is traction, is the price point. So what is the MSRP and the show price?
So the MSRP of this is $264,539. The show price is $209,553. Again, you could probably get it lower than that, of course.
So the next one that we like, and we do have some towables, we promised, but this one was really nice. It's a 2023 Baystar, not the Baystar Sport, the Baystar 3014. And why do we like this unit? Well, you have all the features of the Baystar, which at this point we think is probably the highest quality gas motorhome on the market. This is in a small package though, so this is very maneuverable if you want to go to national parks or you want to go somewhere that's a little bit smaller. You have a lot of space in here. So the Baystar full body paint, it has the masterpiece finish, it has the double insulation, the aluminum, hung walls, 16 on center, you get all of that. Plus on the Baystar versus the Sport, you get the 22.5-inch tires. So small unit, we just want to show you one of the bays, and we have a full video coming out on this, or it's out already. If it's out, we'll link it above. Another nice thing, Truma, beautiful paint finish, and you have on the driver's side almost a full wall slide, which really opens up this tiny unit inside.
So there's a couple things that I really like on here. First of all, Newmar, I always feel just cozy on Newmars. And this specifically, because it's a smaller motorhome, you're at, you know, around 30 feet or so, this is perfect for 2 people. It's perfect for somebody that is a little hesitant to drive a motorhome. This is a really good starter one, I think. You have a large cockpit, but you have this 500-pound weight capacity bunk that comes right down, and you have extra sleeping space, so if you have your grandkids over or whatever, but that is really good. I wish we had gotten something like that. Comfortable furniture. Even for a 30-footer though, it feels spacious. I love in here the interior decor, this Escher-like all the way. It goes all the way around with your beautiful LED lighting surrounding it. It's just a really nice look. And then, you know, good sized kitchen. You have a nice bathroom, but you have a queen size bed. Again, super comfortable, super cozy. I just really, really like this motorhome.
So the exact length of this coach is 30 feet 11 inches. So it comes under 31 feet, which is really nice.
It's exactly 6 feet shorter than ours, to the inch.
They do everything with 11 inches.
11, yes. So your price here, they just have the one price. The show price is $224,999.
And of course, that's always negotiable. We like to do different ones sometimes, and this one is very cool. This is a Cortez Camper. This is a 17. These are made in Cleveland, Ohio. Or they're actually made in Ohio. I don't know if it's Cleveland, but they are made in Ohio. What's pretty cool about this, a lot of times you see, you know, screws, staples. This is one piece of fiberglass. So there's no seams in here. The only places you're gonna get any kind of intrusion on this will be the cutouts on the roof, either through the air conditioner or the vent. All this right here, it's never gonna rot, it's never gonna delaminate, you're never gonna get leaks on it, and this is a 4-season coach, and it's super light because of that construction. So this 17-foot trailer is only 2,300 pounds, which means if you have an SUV, you could pull this with no problem. We'll give you the price in a little bit, but it's very cool inside. It kind of looks like an airplane inside.
All right, so headed inside, this is a pretty cool, you got your screen door here. I like this, protection for your screen. Then moving in, now if you're super tall, this definitely isn't going to be something for you, but I'm 5'9" and I have plenty of room. Something I love about this that's this small is the bathroom. So the bathroom up here, it's a wet bath, but you have plenty of room for a 17-foot RV. So you can go to the bathroom while you wash your hands and take a shower all at the same time, but it's nice and roomy.
Now, can you stand up in the shower?
Yeah, I can stand up, but it has to be towards the end, you know, and you'll see everything is kind of set lower in here. So you have a place to eat here, you have a place to eat here, but everything's lower. So even cooking, like I feel like I'm like in a dollhouse. You have a 3-burner cooktop in here in this size. Isn't that awesome? And then you have an oven, right? Which is great. You got a microwave, a fridge there. I mean, you have so much fitting in here. Great little sink, cutting board. And then you also have, where do you sleep, right? This does break down into a bed. So you have everything you need in here. And something else in 17 feet that it's giving you is a ton of place to keep #stuff. So all the way around, you're gonna see these compartments that just open, and they're pretty deep, okay? They go, I can't even reach the back of it actually, so you have a lot of room to keep everything. You also have 2 of these right near the door, really good sized ones, so you have a lot of places to keep. I think the use of space in here is really good.
So this is the first time seeing one of these in person. We really, really like them.
We should tow this and have Jason sleep in it. Oh, actually, he wouldn't even be able to stand in there.
Yeah, it might be a little tight for him. What is the price on this? Who can get it from? It's offered by Leo's RV Center out here in Maryland.
Right. It's Leo's Vacation Center.
Oh, sorry. Leo's Vacation Center.
Yes, and we love Leo's. So the price is $59,900. The show price is $49,900.
So our last favorite, one of our top choices here, and we've done a video, we did a full video tour of this with the rep from Intech. This is a wonderful, wonderful towable if you're looking for something a little bit bigger. This is the Intech Terra Oasis, the Rover Edition, which means it has the off-road wheels and kind of off-road package. Why Intech? Intech's been making trailers for a long time as far as like towable trailers, stackable. They do everything in-house, right? So the chassis itself, it's welded in-house, all aluminum. The framing, it's all aluminum welded framing. Really nice, no slides, very little issues with these. They are super, super popular and they're really well made. Just some of the highlights outside, it's gonna be fiberglass walls, guys. You have the outlets. I don't know if you can see the tires, but kind of have the off-road tires, which is a really nice thing. And then this is really nice. They put an outdoor kitchen on a slide, and then in the back here, you see they put the bumper, the air conditioner on top, you have the camera, and a lot of windows, and a very cool awning.
It's a huge awning.
A huge awning. And again, we did a full video review on this. It was actually very popular.
Yeah.
We'll link that up above. But let's go inside because this has no slides, but it's really a good use of space.
So let's take a walk inside, but as you can see, I don't have the lights on yet, but this is something that Intech does really, really nicely. They have this beautiful blue LED lighting, actually all of their RVs, and it's just so nice for mood lighting. So come on in, we'll get all the main lights on. If you walk in an Intech, you know you're on an Intech. You have that huge front window, and yes, they do have covers for that. Okay, people always ask, isn't it gonna get slammed with rocks? But yes, you can cover that. The huge seating area, with
Which
your
doubles as a bed.
Yep, rotating table that you can also have a sleeping area. Kitchen with everything you need. It's just, I like this too, their little signature Terra up there. Everything in an Intech is quality, it's spaced well, it's just really, really well made.
So you said you're 5'9". I want you to walk up toward the front.
Right.
Because it has the tilt forward design. That's kind of what they're known for. But look how much room you have up front. And again, there's no slides on here.
Exactly. And you definitely feel like there is. You have space here. Here's your TV, a counter area, prep space. Again, everything you need in your kitchen. You have a split bath in here. So, roomy.
Completely sealed off, LED lights.
You smell that?
Yeah.
Brand new. Smells brand new. I love that. And then you have, a large bathroom.
I find myself noticing that I really like the RVs that look like planes inside.
You do. Look at this bedroom, right? Huge. Beautiful, like farmhouse style door. And then you have, places to keep your hanging clothes and things like that. Large bed, plenty of room to walk around, lots of storage. It's just got everything, but it's got the quality as well.
So this is a 26-foot trailer. The dry weight is 5,571 pounds. We'll put all the specs below, or a link to the specs below for everything that we've had in this video. So what is the show price? What is the MSRP?
So the MSRP is $74,935 and the show price is $64,900.
Now some people may say, oh, well, I can get something way bigger with way more things for $40,000, and you can.
Yep.
But we promise you it won't be the quality of this. And we're trying to look at units that have a little bit, that we see the quality is a little better.
We've always loved Intech. We love the way they work. We love the way they support their customers.
How they pay their employees.
Yeah, it's just a well-run company.
Yeah, so in the comments below, let us know, what do you think of the units that we showed, or any of your favorites? And what are your favorite units that you've seen at RV shows? And then to the left of us, if you like videos like this, we'll put our RV Tours playlist, our RV Newbies playlist. And for myself and MJ, it's a journey of a lifetime, and we'll see you on the road.